Today we're at Endor Iron Furnace. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. The sky is clear. It's fall. Fall is here. It's nice and cool. And I'm here with Endor. How do you pronounce your last name again?
Endor Sagdajev.
Sagdajev, the
webninja.io.
the digital nomad. And so looks like somebody's got some kind of thing going on here. Save Endor.
That's fake iron. I actually think it's made out of wood.
Furnace.
Hey, I'm gonna get in the furnace.
And it's a historic restoration site. And
actually, I'm not.
It's protected property. No unauthorized personnel allowed.
Well,
what does that say on your shirt?
Well, the good thing is I authorized myself, so I'm clear to go.
All right, so I'm gonna go in here and see what all the fuss is about.
It is illegal to dig, excavate, disturb the ground, or to collect archaeological artifacts in this area. $2,000 or imprisonment up to 6 months. Free food and jail for violators.
Free food and board.
Hey, if the taxpayers want to pay for it.
But
it doesn't matter what they want.
That's what it all boils down to.
It's funny they call them taxpayers, like they're paying it.
So yeah, it's an absolutely fantastic day.
If you get mugged on the street and
today here,
wallet, did you pay the robber?
And
you get a receipt?
We're going to see what this furnace is all about. Apparently it's something to do with the Revolutionary War. No, not the Revolutionary War, the Civil War, where that was the North versus the South, right? Yeah, I think it was the North versus the South, where the claim is that it was Abraham Lincoln that freed the slaves. You might want to do your own research on that, right? I'm getting no input right now from him. He's in a world of his own. Anyway, this forge is next to I think it's called Deep River. And the reason why they built this forge here is because there's a iron ore vein on the river bed. So it was easy for them to extract that and then, I guess, get it into the furnace and melt it down as quick as possible to make armaments, their weapons and bullets and stuff like that, I guess. So anyway, let's see what this is all about, shall we? Violators will be prosecuted. What you looking at up there?
It's like a crater.
A crater?
It's a huge pit.
A pit. Like Brad Pitt? Armpit?
Well, Brad Pitt looks a little better than this. Why don't they just take all the violators and throw them into the spit? Why make them pay $5,000?
Wow. Yeah, you've got a point.
You could put maybe 100 violators, 200 violators into this pit alone. You could set them on fire. Save the furnace. But it doesn't look so deep.
Alright, so now we've been walking for about, I don't know, maybe half a mile so far. We've come up a hill and we're going down a bit of a hill right now. And this is we're looking down here into the Deep River. And hopefully we'll get to the furnace very shortly. Stay tuned.
I want you to video it. I just wanted
Alright, so I don't understand this. This is a public thing for people to see, but you know, it says no trespassing.
I think that if you go and video this but you're not in it, it's one thing. But if there's pictures of me on the internet here, I think that gives them enough to sort of like...
I'm recording right now, by the way.
Yeah.
So just to let you know. Well, you're going to be in it, so I don't know whether you like it or not.
I know, right?
So, okay, it looks like this thing is, for some reason, I guess because it's old, it's falling apart. They're trying to save this. Here's the scaffolding. As you can see, there's some pretty big rocks that they've built this with. And they've got rocks over here with signs on them. Tags. More rocks. There's an iron thing there. I guess that's from this. There's some nice stone. More rocks in here. This says keep out. I'm not going to go in there, but you know, I mean, come on. If you're going to put a gate and a fence on, you know, make sure you can just, you have to climb over or, whatever, but it's not advised. Anyway, so this is it. I want to go and have a look inside so bad. It's like it's a tunnel or something. You're supposed to take the steps.
Steps? What's that? I never heard of steps before.
I wasn't expecting this. I was expected to come and see this, forge, but, I didn't know this was under construction, as one might say. So want to have a look inside.
We have animals here with us.
Who?
Animals.
What is it?
I don't know. I hear them.
I hear it too. Alright, so I guess this is where they melted the ore down inside this thing. Let's go back around here. Shoot. So I guess it's they're gonna excavate this out. Guess there's been some kind of rock slide or something, and all the dirt and everything is inside. Don't know. Pretty interesting. Funny how they put this blue screen up to make people think that they can't get in. This is the other entrance, the other end. Yeah, it's all the stuff's collapsed. Interesting. Very interesting.